Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the highest paying work from home jobs that don't even require a degree. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I work from home and I absolutely love it. Like, I love working from home, and I know that I'm not the only one, so that's why I'm doing this video for all those who are looking for a work from home job but don't know what to do. And I'm doing this because the videos on YouTube are absolute trash when it comes to work from home jobs. Like, I cringe every time I hear about people talking about surveys and transcribing and data entry. Can you make money from those? Yes, but is it enough to sustain you to be able to afford groceries? No. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I want to share with you actual ways that you can work from home and make good money. So the way I'm going to do this video is I'm going to actually share with you how actual people are making money working from home, doing these different things, and then show you how much they make and then how you can get started. So you guys ready to get into it? Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with number 5, and that is flipping furniture. Now, before you write this off, I want you guys to hear me out, okay? Because Lily did this. She started out doing this out of necessity because she had a $10,000 dentist bill and she needed to figure out how she could pay this off pretty quick. And she didn't have any experience flipping furniture, but she was trying to find a way, like, how can I actually make an additional income source after my 9 to 5? So she actually tried this out. After her job, she would go home and do this at night. Now, her income, listen to this, it fluctuates between $15,000 to $30,000 per month. So she started by just finding a nightstand on Facebook Marketplace for $50. She refurbished it and sold it for $195 a week later. Now, what Lily did was even smarter, was that she just turned the camera on when she started refurbishing this stuff, and she posted it on her Instagram, and her Instagram blew up. All she did was she learned a skill, she shared her process on social media, and now she no longer works her 9 to 5. She's far bypassing how much she was making. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put her Instagram in the comment section or in the description so you guys can check it out to see if this is something that you wanna do. Because I'm under the belief of, if someone else can do it, so can I, especially if they didn't know what they were doing when they first got started. Number 4 is a copywriter. Now, copywriting is one of the highest paying work from home jobs out there because this is such an important skill. Now, people often think just copywriting is just writing, but no, copywriting is words on a page, but the real skill is persuasion. It's using words to inspire people to take action, and that action can put money in your pocket in an honest way. So Tim Denning makes 6 figures writing, and he has an incredible free article that I just blew me away on how to make your first $10,000 from writing. I'm gonna link that below because that is literally the blueprint on how to get started. And don't waste time reading a bunch of how to write copy books. Instead, just read good copy. So the ads you see, sales pages, emails that make you want to buy something, those are the ones that you want to study. And ask yourself, what did they say that made me want to purchase? Break it down. This is something anyone can learn to do if you do it with intention. So if you want to learn this skill, check out Tim's article on all the ways you can get started. And if you like the idea of learning from other people making money, you're going to love the case studies that I put together, because I interview over 100 entrepreneurs that all are making 6 to 7 figures online doing different things. And I did this because people, they need to get inspired. The only reason I started making money online was because I was inspired by someone who's actually making money online. There are these bloggers making $100,000 a month. And I said to myself, all I need is $2,000. And that's the only reason I got started blogging, was because I saw that these people were able to do it and I could follow them. My first year, I only made $5,000, but then the very next year, I made over $200,000. And that's all because I was able to get inspired by someone else's story. Your story is so important, and it's so important to share it. So that's why I compile all these different interviews in one database so you can learn from other people and get your creative juices going, so you can get inspired and say, hey, that's something I can do. So if you guys want access to these 6 and 7 figure business ideas, like for example, Bonnie, how she makes $100,000 a month with her membership. How Jared makes 7 figures flipping websites. Or Lauren, she makes multiple 6 figures podcasting, and she's not the one on the podcast. Like, these stories are amazing. If you want access to stories like that, definitely check it out in the description below. I'm gonna put it below, because these are the stories that can inspire you, that can change your life. Okay, let's get to the next one. The next one is the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, I consider this one as the best, easiest, and even one of the highest paying work from home jobs, because Carissa DeVries does this, and just in her first year, she made $80,000 in her first 10 months. So for those who have no idea what this is, the Amazon Influencer Program is something that Amazon put together when they realized that more people buy their products on their website after watching a video review of the product. So Amazon was saying, okay, how can we actually get people to do more of these? And then of course, what motivates anybody? It's money. So they actually pay people for making these video reviews of their products, posting it on Amazon, and if someone watches that video and then makes a purchase of that product or any other product, you get a commission. And that's how this all works. It's so cool. Like, here's a snippet of one that I did just so you can see what I'm talking about.
And I'm excited about it, so let's see. Wow, I love this so much.
That's just a quick snippet. That's it. And I did a whole video tutorial. If you wanted to do something like this, I highly encourage it because it's like a one and done. You do the video review of it, you post it, and you move on with your life, and you can still make money. This is the true definition of when they say this is how you make money when you sleep. This is one of those things. So I'm gonna put the video I did in the description below if you guys are interested in this, because this is really a great way to make money from home that a lot of people have never even heard of before. Number 2 is YouTube. YouTube is by far one of the highest paying work from home jobs that you guys have to consider. And I know this because this is what I do, and the money is real. I'm telling you, I am still making money off of videos that I've done over 3 years ago. You cannot say that about any other platform, not TikTok, Instagram, or X. You know, you post a video there, it's a one and done deal there. So I did a video on Instacart. I did an Instacart review. I never drove for Instacart. I literally just asked someone who did the driving for Instacart, and I asked them everything that I wanted to know and that other people want to know about what's it like becoming an Instacart driver. And I did a video on that, and that video is still high up in the search results. So if you search for Instacart driver review and you scroll down like maybe the third person or the second one, and it's still up there from over 3 years ago. When people watch that video, I have ads in that video and even affiliate products. Every time they watch that video and they may purchase something that I promoted in that video, I earn a commission. I'm earning still from something I did over 3 years ago. I only did it one time. And literally anyone can do this. So I used to say all the time, like, I never want to start a YouTube channel. I don't want to be in front of the camera. Like, that's not my thing. Until I interviewed Nate O'Brien. And when he told me in just the month of January that he had made over $30,000 in ads, I said, where's my camera? Because I am not going to allow my fear of being in front of the camera hold me back from earning an income from home. You know, I go all day about YouTube and why you should do it. But if you really want to dig into it, just join my email list, because I love talking about all things YouTube and how I make money. Because my favorite thing is getting stuck in the search results. I love to be able to do a video and have it sit and make me money as I go about my day and do whatever for years to come. I just went to Jamaica and I did a video review of the resort that I went to. So when someone searches for Excellence Oyster Bay Jamaica review, my video is one of the first ones that show up. So which one do you think they're gonna click on? That's how I'm able to make a passive income, by getting my videos stuck in the search results. It works like a charm. You guys have to check it out. Like, you have to do this. Like, why not? There's nothing stopping you, because I'm gonna tell you why. I am one of the most unlikeliest people, if that's even a word, to be here on YouTube. I had extreme anxiety about being in front of the camera. I had this lazy eye that I was insecure about. Before I got in this nice house of ours, I was at like a non-Instagram worthy house, and I was also insecure about showing my house. Like, it's not a great looking, you know, I had all that silly stuff that was going on in my head. But you know what I said? I have to get over myself. I want to be able to stay home and make money so I can raise my kids. If you have no idea how to get started, just check out my newsletter. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. This is the year for you guys, I'm telling you. Now, the number 1 highest paying work from home job is trading stock options. Now, when I first learned about, you know, stock options, I heard that they were so risky and just to stay away from them. But the way Kuda explains it is anything that you get into without a lot of knowledge or don't know about, it's risky. And he's right. If you don't know anything about options, don't just jump into options. But when you know what you're doing, it's not a risk because you know what you're doing. I mean, Kuda can explain this better than anybody. Now, I was gonna try and explain like what stock options are, but I feel like I'm gonna get you more confused than if you don't know about it, what it is now. So I'm gonna actually link the video interview I did with him, because he makes $1,000 a day, over that a day. That is why this is number 1 on this list, because the earning potential is so high. You just have to learn how to do this. You know, they try to make stocks seem so confusing and feel like not everybody can do. You have to have a high IQ to do this stuff. But if you know what you're doing, if you take the time to learn from someone who's actually doing this today, then you can do the exact same thing. And I have a video with him that he just breaks it down where you can actually understand, like, oh, that's how it works. And that's what I want to share with you. And the other thing is that Kuda has a 75-year-old woman in his program. No hate to the seniors out there, but I'm like, y'all, if grandma can do this, anybody can do this. He has even nurses in his program where the demand at work was just so high, they were looking for something different. And they found trading stock options with him because it's just a lot more flexible. You do it on your own schedule. So if you want to learn more about this, check out my interview with Kuda and he'll explain it way better than I ever could. Okay, so which one of these do you want to do? Which one of these are something that you think you could try? Let me know in the comment section. And also, I want to see who is actually here until the end. Only the people at the end will know this. When you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up? I want to know what that was. So let me know in the comment section. I think it's a little fun exercise to do. And mine was, I wanted to be a doctor. I just thought that that was going to be who I was or what I wanted to become, until I found out that they had to be in school for over 10 years. And I said, no way. So that was mine. What's yours? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see my formula for making $100,000 in the next 6 months, watch this video right here. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.